Hi students, in the last class we discussed about some named reactions. In this class I will deal with inorganic question, very most important for 2 marks in your board exam. Those are anomalous properties of nitrogen, oxygen and fluorine. Out of these three, they can ask any one question for either 2 marks or 3 marks. Very most important one. Anomalous properties of nitrogen. Anomalous means properties are different. The properties of nitrogen properties are differ from the other 15th group elements. The properties of nitrogen, they are differ from other 15th group element. Why this happens means, why the properties of nitrogen are differ means, due to its small size. These are considered as the cause for the anomalous properties. If they ask what is the cause for anomalous properties of nitrogen, then you can write that is, one is small size, high electronegativity. Nitrogen is more electronegative in the 15th group element due to its high electronegativity. Very high ionization enthalpy, and most important one is non-availability of the vacant d orbital. This is the main cause for the anomalous properties of the nitrogen. This is the cause. Then anomalous properties are first one is nitrogen has ability, it has capacity. Nitrogen has ability to form strong p-pi multiple bond. p-pi multiple bond either with itself, that is n triple bond n, either with itself or with more electronegative elements like oxygen or with fluorine or with carbon. This is the one of the anomalous property, while other elements will not form such p-pi multiple bond. This is the first anomalous property. Nitrogen has ability to form strong p-pi multiple bond either with itself or with more electronegative element like oxygen, fluorine or with the carbon, while other 15th group element will not form such p-pi multiple bond. Then second anomalous property of nitrogen is these other 15th group element provides the vacant d orbital, but nitrogen not provides vacant d orbital due to absence of vacant d orbital. The covalency of nitrogen restricted to 4. Nitrogen cannot expand its covalency behind 4. Why it cannot expand its covalency behind 4 means due to absence of vacant d orbital. Hence its covalency restricted to 4 only. while other 15th group elements expand their covalency behind 4. Other 15th group elements expand their covalency behind 4. These are the two anomalous properties of the nitrogen. And other 15th group elements, they can form the d pi p pi multiple bonds. They can form the d pi p pi multiple bonds, while nitrogen forms only p pi multiple bonds. This is about the anomalous properties of the nitrogen. You practice this one. First one is cause. Second one is anomalous properties. Similarly, you can discuss about the anomalous properties of oxygen and fluorine. Second one is anomalous properties of oxygen. Again, the properties of oxygen are differ from the other 16th group elements. Other 16th group elements. Why the properties of oxygen are differ? That is, what is the cause for anomalous properties of oxygen? Means due to its small size and high electronegativity. Due to its small size and high electronegativity, properties of oxygen are differ from the other 16th group element. Then anomalous properties of oxygen are due to high electronegativity and small size. Due to small size and high electronegativity, hydrogen bonding takes place. Hydrogen bonding occurs in water. Hydrogen bonding takes place in water, while in H2S, in hydrogen sulfide, while in H2S, it is not found. It will not occur. Hydrogen bonding not occurs in H2S, hydrogen sulfide, but in water hydrogen bonding takes place. Why in water hydrogen bonding occurs? Means due to the small size of oxygen and its high electronegativity, hydrogen bonding takes place in water, while in H2S it is not occurs, it is not found. This is the one anomalous property. Second anomalous property is due to absence of vacant d orbital. Similarly, compared to nitrogen, this oxygen also not provides the vacant d orbital. Due to unavailability or absence of the vacant d orbital, the covalency of oxygen restricted to 4 only. In practice, rarely exceeds 2. Generally, in majority cases, oxygen covalency is 2 only, but it can exceeds up to 4. Absence of vacant d orbital, covalency of oxygen restricted to 4, while rarely exceeds 2. These two are the anomalous properties. While other 16th group elements expand their covalency behind the 4. Other 16th group elements expand their covalency behind 4 also, because they can provide the vacant d orbital. These two are the anomalous properties of the oxygen. The last one, anomalous properties of the fluorine. Next one is anomalous properties of the fluorine. Again, the properties of the fluorine differ from the other 17th group elements. Properties of the fluorine differ from the other 17th group element. Why that properties are differ? That is, what is the cause for anomalous properties of fluorine means? First cause is due to its small size. Due to its small size, high electronegativity, low fluorine bond dissociation enthalpy, low fluorine bond dissociation enthalpy, and also non-availability of vacant d orbital. Properties of fluorine differ from the other 17th group element. This is the cause. Then anomalous properties of fluorine are due to its small size and high electronegativity, fluorine forms only one oxoacid. Oxoacids of fluorine are only one. Fluorine forms only one oxoacid, while other 17th group elements forms number of oxoacids. They can form large number of oxoacids, while fluorine forms only one oxoacid. And this is the first cause. Second cause for that, second anomalous property of the fluorine is HF, hydrogen fluoride. HF is liquid. Due to strong hydrogen bonding. Hydrogen fluoride, HF, is liquid in nature, while other hydrogen halides are gases. These two are the anomalous properties of the fluorine. These are about the anomalous properties of nitrogen, oxygen and fluorine. You follow as it is, definitely you get either 2 or 3 marks in your board exam. In the next class, we can study other important questions.